Welcome back to another episode of Styled by Zulily, where we show you how to work your wardrobe. I'm Becca, and today we're talking how to wear tie-dye. This retro look is back in a big way, and you'll see it in every shade from neon to pastel. Here are 3 ways to work the tie-dye trend into your wardrobe. For a fresh take on 60s style, choose a classic short-sleeve tee in a bold design. Let color be the star of your outfit by completing the look with white denim. Head-to-toe tie-dye is trending this season. Pick delicate shades and soft silhouettes like this skirt and top set. Not ready to add tie-dye into your everyday outfit rotation? Work it at the gym in a pair of tie-dyed leggings. Tie-dye lets your inner artist out to play. Go ahead and experiment with wearing a tie-dye t-shirt, accessories, or even your own DIY creation. Thanks for watching. Remember to share your new outfits using #StyleByZulily and stay tuned for more styling tips.